Today I'm sitting in a 1918 Australian 6. This is a Chevrolet designed chassis with a Rutenberg engine, which was imported to Australia by Frederick Gordon. He was the businessman who wanted to bring car manufacturing to Australia. A car like this really takes you back to a different era. The exterior of this vehicle marks a shift in automotive manufacturing. They're slowly starting to get away from the horse-drawn carriage era, but they're modernizing things with front-rolling bumpers and continuous running boards, but some things are a little bit representative of those horse-era vehicles. This car is laid out fantastically and was pretty much the standard for a vehicle of its time. It's got an ignition adjustment here on the steering wheel, a little bit more difficult to drive than your modern-day vehicles. This vehicle with its crimson paint, the nickel-plated finish, is representative of luxury vehicles. Ultimately, that was the downfall of a vehicle in Australia at a time when luxury vehicles couldn't be afforded by many. The startup sequence on this vehicle probably takes about 10 minutes. There's separate fuel primer caps in the engine. You have to actually put the petrol in the cylinder, get it warm, start it up before you can take off. So it really is a different process and a different era. Driving this vehicle is amazing. It's a bit like Mr. Toad's Wild Ride because of the noises and the clunks and all the intricacies of driving it.